Hello.
Hello.
Hi, how are you? I'm so sorry, friend, but your connection is breaking up and your
Okay,
voice
so
was
what
breaking up.
am I audible now?
For now,
Hello.
it's okay, but I'm afraid that your voice isn't going to come in clearly.
Yeah, I think there's some network issue. So, and maybe it is and Cambly.
It could be.
Yeah. So
I
how have
think
you
it's
been?
okay for now.
Yeah. So how are you?
I'm good. I'm good. It's nice to meet you. My name is Michelle.
Okay, my name is Ujjwal. Nice to meet you.
Where in India do you live?
Yeah, I'm from the state name is Uttar Pradesh.
Hmm, okay. I'm
Yeah.
sure it's a little bit cold right now.
Yeah, it's a bit cold here. Actually, the properly winter has gone, but a little bit cold. Yeah, we can feel mostly yet. Yeah. Now, but we can take the sunbath easily. Yeah, so it's good.
Oh, there's
Yeah.
snow on the ground in my city.
Oh my God, I love snow. Yeah,
I love it, but when I don't have to walk outside or drive, because then it becomes dangerous and
yeah, yeah.
uncomfortable.
So where are you from in US?
I'm from a state called Maryland. Have you heard of Maryland before?
No, I haven't heard about that.
Do you know the nation's capital, Washington, D.C.?
Yeah, I heard about that.
Okay,
Washington DC.
we're right next to each other. So my hometown is just a 30-minute drive to the border of Washington, D.C.
Oh, that sounds great.
Yeah, but currently I don't live in America. Currently I'm in Turkey.
Oh, so why you moved on Turkey?
I'm a digital nomad, so I like to live in other countries.
Yeah, I have met a lot of teachers like who wanted to move another cities or countries. I don't know why.
Because it's fun. It's fun to
Yeah.
move around.
Yeah. Yes.
Yeah.
Okay.
Have you ever lived outside of India before?
No, I've never went outside from India, but yeah, I've
Mm.
traveled a lot in India. Yeah, but there is like a lot of countries in my bucket list where I would like to go, like the USA and the UK. So
Mhm.
yeah,
Are you
I'll go there.
currently a student? Are you
Yeah,
working?
no, currently I'm a student, so I'm doing my graduation. It's my bachelor degree. I'm doing my Bachelor of Business Administration (BBA).
Cool. When will you
Yeah.
graduate?
It will take 3 years because it's my first year.
Oh,
Yeah.
okay. You have a long road ahead of you, but you will finish,
Mm.
I hope.
Yeah, it is a long time.
Yeah. I graduated university many, 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 many years ago, but I remember how it felt.
Yeah, yeah. It is a different level excitement because I've just passed my intermediate grade. So now it's my first year. So yeah, I'm staying in the college, gain the atmosphere of the college. What do
Is
students do?
your college in your hometown or is your college in a different city?
No, my college is my in mine city. So
Perfect.
yeah.
That's the best thing to do. I did the same
Yeah.
thing. I lived at home all 4 years and I commuted to my university.
Oh,
Yeah.
cool.
Most Americans don't do that though. Most Americans, they live on campus in the dormitories because universities are generally far away from people's hometowns.
Oh,
But I stayed local. Yeah.
that's good.
Yeah. Very nice. So why are you practicing your English?
Actually, I'm practicing English because I have my own business. My father has been my father has been running this business. I think since 2017, and I think I was 14 that time. So yeah, I'll follow my father's footsteps. So in this, we have a export business. We sell our stuffs in all over the countries in international market. So in this, we have to be very fluent in English. Uh, yeah, therefore we can interact with foreigners easily. We can interact with our buyers, customers. So
Hmm.
that is why I'm learning English.
Yeah, I get
So
that. So what is your father's company exporting exactly? Which product?
yeah, actually my father exports like decorative product mostly, like it's maybe hanging lamps and chairs, tables, and decorative animals. So this type of
Oh,
stuff. Yeah.
cool. Yeah, very nice. Are you familiar with American television channels? Have you ever
Sorry?
watched? Are you
No, no.
familiar with any American
Mm,
channels?
I'm not actually familiar, but I've been watching the American movies and American series. Yeah, like for 3 or 4 months to understand their accent, to understand the
Hmm.
American accent. So that is why I started to watch the American movies.
Hmm.
Yeah, and initial point that I faced a lot of difficulties to understand them, and sometimes I thought now I should quit because I can't do this. Yes,
Never
but
quit.
even
Never.
yeah, yeah, eventually then I could understand all the things. So I thought that I should join Cambly now.
Hmm.
So yeah, I'm here.
I think you made the right decision.
Yeah.
Yeah. The reason I was asking if you are familiar with American TV channels is because we have a famous channel called Home and Garden,
Oh,
HGTV, and it kind of goes along with what your father does with like decorating houses. So maybe if you're interested in this, you can watch some of those shows, like fixer upper shows or house decorating shows, and you
yeah,
can
yeah.
learn
I will watch.
English at the same time.
Yeah. So is it on YouTube?
Maybe. I don't use YouTube, so I don't know.
Oh, okay. I'll
It's just
search.
an American TV channel, and I also don't live in America, so I don't really know how to access it. I just use Netflix. Maybe Netflix.
So, like, what do you think about me if I'll come in America? So, can I survive there? Can I easily talk with them? Means,
Yes.
yeah. So I can.
I would say in major cities that we have huge populations of immigrants, I would say yes. Cities where it's just one race, I would say
Yeah.
no. Yeah.
Means
So
I'm
the
talking
East
about
Coast and
the
the West
about,
Coast.
yeah. So I'm talking about the like accent. Like, will I understand the accent? Will I able to talk with them?
Well, I'm biased because this is my job and I'm trained in teaching foreigners English, so I can understand every word that you say. But my mother probably wouldn't be able to understand you.
Oh,
But it's my mom, and she's old, but
yeah.
she wasn't trained. Um, I would continue focusing on your enunciation. And like you said, you were listening to the accent and try to shadow their accent. Another piece of advice I give all of my Indian students, it always sounds like you're rushing to finish the sentence when you talk.
Yeah.
We don't do that in English. And when you do that, the words start to blend together. And that's when Americans like can't understand Indians. It's because
Oh,
you're rushing, it feels like when you speak. Try to slow
yeah.
down a little bit. That's my
Yeah.
advice to you.
Because we always try to be fluent because we know yet I'm not a fluent, but we pretend that we are fluent, so we speak too fast.
I will say that every country I teach, my Indian students, they speak the best. I think your English education is phenomenal compared to other countries. Really.
Yeah,
I'm not saying that to like be nice to you. I'm saying that because it's the truth.
yeah, yeah,
Yeah. So yeah, just take it slow, take it easy, keep doing what you're doing, work on your accent. You'll be good.
yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So
So
how many Indian students do you have?
Quite a few. I would say at least 10 regulars I see every week. They live all over the country. Some in, Delhi. I have one in Pune, and then Chennai. Is that how you say it? Chennai,
Yeah.
all the way at the bottom.
Yeah. So, like, do you keep the class on Cambly, or do you keep the class on personally on
Oh, I teach only online.
online? Okay. So,
Mhm.
besides Cambly.
Only on Cambly. I've been working for Cambly for over 2.5 years now. Then, like, because of the COVID situation, that's why I switched to virtual teaching. Before I was inside the classrooms.
Okay. Ah,
Yeah,
that's something.
I prefer virtual
Yeah.
because my kitchen is right there.
Okay.
It's very nice and convenient. I can always make tea.
Okay. So, how's this?
Mhm. Have you ever tried any American food before?
Mm, I think I've never tried the American food because I don't know about a lot of American. I don't know about the American more about the American food.
Mhm.
Maybe some foods, Indians and Americans, some are same. So I tried some Indian foods like dosa, burgers. Have you heard about that? Burger.
That's like the national dish of my people.
Yeah. So I ate
Hamburger.
burger a lot of time. Yeah. So
Yeah. But I do have to say, you haven't lived until you've had a real American burger. It's the best.
oh, I've never tried that.
Oh, you have to.
I will come. So I'll
Yeah,
definitely try.
come on over. Do
Yeah.
you need a visa to enter the US?
Yeah, obviously we need a visa to
Hmm.
enter in. Yeah, to move there.
I wasn't sure about the Indian passport, which countries you need a visa. I need a visa as an American to enter India, but I can do it online electronically and it's like instant, sort of. It's very easy.
Yeah, I also don't know about much about that.
Um,
Yeah, how's
yeah,
it?
because you haven't traveled much, but
Yeah,
in the
yeah.
future you'll
Currently,
learn.
currently I'm a student, so
Yeah,
I
yeah.
have, I have a long life.
Oh, yeah, for sure. I didn't start traveling as much as I do now until my late 20s. The first time I left the US, I was 16 on a school trip. And then the second time, another school trip when I was 21. But really traveling much later in life once I had money,
Oh
because you,
yeah,
you need a lot of money to travel. Plane tickets
yeah,
are pricey.
yeah. Everything is money.
That is the truth. That
Yeah.
is it. So, which place in India is your favorite that you've already traveled to? Which city?
Mm, which city? Actually, I love the state's name is Uttarakhand.
Mhm,
So yeah, because basically I'm a nature lover.
mhm.
So yeah, so because now you told me that in the US, so there is snow is falling now.
Well, I'm in
So
Turkey right now.
oh yeah, Turkey. So
Yeah,
yeah, there
it's
is no.
snowing in the capital of Turkey. I'm sure it's snowing in the US. I just don't know which state.
Yeah, yeah.
Mhm.
So yeah, that is why I love to go there in Uttarakhand because the nature is very beautiful. We can see the. So
Mhm.
I'm a mountain lover basically. Yeah, so
Did you ever visit Kashmir?
Kashmir, no, I've never visited in Kashmir.
I
And
really
but
want to go there.
Kashmir is you know very beautiful,
Yeah,
amazing. Yeah,
I've spent hours Googling Kashmir,
yeah,
actually. Yeah. I really want to go to India.
yeah. You're very welcome.
Oh, thank you so much. I appreciate that. Maybe one day I will make my way to India.
Yeah, the day will come very soon.
We'll see. We'll see.
Yeah,
Friend, unfortunately, our time is over. It was so nice to
yeah.
meet with you.
Nice to meet you too. Thank you so much.
Yeah, if
Bye-bye.
you have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a good one. Bye.
Have a good day. Bye.